First of all, I would like to say thank you to Grabby Arts and Craft Supply for this exciting collaboration. Grabby Arts and Craft had reached out and sent me this all-in-one 100 color watercolor set. So let's unbox together. It comes with a watercolor pad with 10 sheet cold press, an instruction to use the watercolor brush. It also includes water brush pen set of 3 and a waterproof fine liner drawing pen. All the 3 brushes and the waterproof pen will fit in the section over here, which I believe to be a mixing pan. The watercolor pad is 140 pounds or 300 GSM. You can start by spraying clear water just like I did to wake up the colors, or you can wet each pan with your watercolor pen. As I swatch, I can see that the color is very vibrant and some colors might be very similar, just slightly darker or lighter. That is expected because you have 100 colors in hand. Of course, some color will be very similar. After swatching, I will paint a painting using all the supplies from this set. So here are the swatch from the top section's colors. I hope you could see it shimmer a little bit. This page is the swatch for the normal watercolor. So let's relax and enjoy the painting together. I don't often do line and wash, but I want to show you the waterproof pen that comes with this set. So today we're going to do line and wash. This painting inspired by one of our walk in the Wollongong Botanical Garden. And this little garden in the big garden of the Wollongong Botanical Garden is called Temple Garden. I find this place very relaxing, thus I wish there's some water lily in the pond. I cannot have the real lily in the real pond, but of course I can have it in my drawing. That's the most fun and magical about art. It's you could have things the way you imagine it or wish or want it to be. I started by wetting the paper with clear water. Throughout the whole painting, I did not use the mixing pan, so I used the color straight from the pan and I mix it on the paper instead of on the palette. I rolled up some tissue paper to lift up some pigment while my painting is still wet. I love the feel of this watercolor pad. The paper is thick enough to hold the amount of water that I need to use for my painting. The paper didn't get buckled throughout the whole entire painting, and the page is stay nice and flat even after the painting is finished. To make my painting extra special, I use the watercolor shimmer to add in a little bit of gold effect to my painting. The only thing that I use out of this watercolor set is the white designer gouache, as I want it to look a bit more opaque. The set also comes with white watercolor. You also can use that, but I want it to be more opaque, so I use white gouache instead. I sneak in another painting for you to see how vibrant the colors are. If you like to see how I paint this hydrangea, please let me know. I will upload it next. Thank you for staying with me until the end. I hope this painting gives you a relaxation times and helps your mind stay at peace. See you the next watercolor journey.